ZorinOS. Is this the best desktop available? Possibly. Let's have a look. Right here I have the Zorin Appearance program open, which allows the user to change the appearance of the Zorin desktop. There are 4 options available. There are also more desktop layouts available if you upgrade to ZorinOS Pro. Let's have a look at all of them. Rather nice. I think this might be my favorite. But I also like this one. The second one here, this is a bit weird. I do not necessarily like this one. This one is strange. This just looks like vanilla GNOME. I don't like it. I will be using this from now on. There are also options to change the color scheme in the theme tab. By default the background is set to white, but I changed it to dark because I believe it to be better. Accent color is blue by default. I also like this purple color, but perhaps I will keep the blue for this video. There are some interface options, desktop options. I'm not going to bother with any of these other than this one. I'm going to include home and trash bin in the desktop. And that's it for the appearance options. Let's empty trash. Empty trash. Right. The desktop is really pretty looking. I think this is one of my favorite desktops that I have seen on gnu+linux. The theming and everything is well done. Excellent work from the Zorin developers. The desktop environment used here is actually GNOME. But if I go back to the appearance options and I select this one, see, it doesn't even look like vanilla GNOME. This is a very heavily modified GNOME. GNOME desktop environment is usually something like this. This is a more vanilla GNOME. This is something that you could see somewhere else. But even this sort of looks like what you would find on Ubuntu. Regardless, it is a pretty desktop. I could see myself using ZorinOS desktop easily. It is definitely one of my favorites that I have seen. ZorinOS is generally quite new user friendly. I would definitely recommend this for new users. If you like the appearance and you are coming from Windows or even Mac OS, apparently, at least that's what the ZorinOS developers claim, this is good for you. But especially for Windows users, as the default desktop layout looks like Windows. So especially for Windows users, I would definitely recommend this one if you like the looks. This distro, ZorinOS. The software availability is good. It is, in general, an excellent distribution. I would recommend for new users. For experienced GNU/Linux users, well, you can decide for yourself. But for the new users, this gets a recommendation from me. Brilliant desktop, well done. That's it for the review. There's not much more to it. It's basically just a recommendation. But yes, it is a good desktop. I like it. And I would recommend it. Especially to new users. New GNU/Linux users. Right. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Until next video. Bye.